I am Dr. Shahriyar Talukdar, Professor and Head of the Department of Fine Arts of the Shantamuriam University of Creative Technology, Dhaka, Bangladesh. It is my pleasure to inform all gents and ladies, friends and students is that the Shantamuriam University of Creative Technology has a rich and well established Department of Fine Arts, which starts its journey from the year 2003. It is one of the leading department in Bangladesh based on fine arts. This university is surrounded by a wonderful landscape with beautiful sceneries of rural Bangladesh. The valiant freedom fighter and eminent educationist and the founder chairman of the Shantamuriam University of Creative Technology, Muhammad Imamul Kabir Shanto, has built and established this university along with the Department of Fine Arts and other departments also. The VFA honors and the MFA degree programs are offered by the Department of Fine Arts. The course curriculum of this department is very much relevant and associated to make and build up the enrichment of career opportunity for further studies into higher education and practicing of art in extensive nature of way. The department has highly qualified, skilled and well-trained teachers who guide the students very adequately within cordial affection and behavior, providing them the most modern and newly introduced techniques and methods of drawing, painting and designs, as well as in the scientific methodology of research. The facilities are also provided by the department through awarding of scholarship to all the admitted students during their study period, as well as 50% admission fees are also discounted. The Department of Fine Arts arranges the art exhibitions and the workshop of paintings for the current students and also the alumni of this department. The festive occasion of the first day of Bengali New Year is also organized by the department, and it is gorgeously celebrated with cheerful and very enjoyable events in the manner of pompous festival. In addition, a folk fair festival is also arranged at the same day within the same respect, and it celebrated in the nature of various cultural functions. The library facilities are also provided by the department to the students of fine arts. The graduated students nowadays are engaging in very prestigious jobs, holding honorable position such as director, creative director, executive director, chief designer, at the design centers, textile industries, printing presses, and ad firms. Besides this, our students are working in computer, media, and web based jobs at the digital firms with exceptional reputations. The highly qualified students of fine arts are appointing as teacher of the universities and the colleges of fine arts. The highly talented students succeeded to occupy the trends of modern art. The talented students bear honor for our nations through winning of awards nationally and internationally, awarded by different art academies at home and abroad. I am eagerly optimistic that the admission desirable student and current students of this department will be significantly benefited through studying here, achieving a brilliant quality of learning method in the discipline of fine arts. Thanks all.